I like reading. I read every day. I read an article yesterday. He likes swimming. He usually swims in the swimming pool. Last month he swam in the sea. We like walking. We often walk in the park. We walked in the forest last week. I don't like running. I never run in the evening. I ran in the park yesterday morning. We love cycling. We always cycle to school. We cycled to the park 2 hours ago. She doesn't like playing computer games. She sometimes plays chess. She played the guitar yesterday. I don't like writing emails. I write a lot of emails to the clients. I wrote 20 emails on Monday. They like riding a bike. They often ride their bikes after school. They rode a horse at the weekend. He loves dancing. He always dances with that girl. He didn't dance at the party. He loves traveling. He usually travels with his family. He traveled to China last summer. I like visiting my grandparents. I usually visit them at the weekend. I visited them 2 days ago. She loves painting. She always paints in her free time. She painted a beautiful picture last month. I like listening to music in my car. I listen to the radio every day. I listened to an interesting podcast an hour ago. She likes studying English. She sometimes studies with her friend. She studied French at school. I don't like driving. I never drive on very busy roads. I drove to the shop after work. We like skiing. We sometimes ski in these mountains. We skied in Italy last winter. I enjoy cooking. I cook dinner every day. I cooked delicious spaghetti yesterday. He likes climbing. He climbs high mountains with his friends. He climbed that mountain last autumn. I don't like flying. I sometimes fly on business trips. I flew to Rome last Monday. She likes watching films in the cinema. She doesn't watch horror films. She watched a very interesting film yesterday. He likes working in the garden. He works in the office. He worked from home last week. They like making cakes. They always make their beds. They made a snowman yesterday.